Hello, friends. It's great to have you here. Get ready to restore your energy and rev up your brain. Let's start moving. I'm Miss AP, here to help restore your energy. Let's start with our warm-up. We are going to be running in place by the count of 10. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job, everyone. Now that we've warmed up our bodies, we are ready to exercise. Today, we are going to continue on moving our legs out and in. But this time, instead of stepping, we are going to jump. To get ready, let's stand up tall in our ready position. Remember, stand tall like a pencil, arms are at our side, legs are together. Once my body is in that ready position, I'm going to use both of my feet to jump out. And once my feet land on the ground, I'm going to use both feet to jump back in. Watch me as I start in the ready position. Bend knees out, jump. Bend knees in, jump in. Now you try. Jump out, stand in that ready position, jump in, ready like a pencil. All right, let's try jumping 20 times together. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 11, 12, 17, 18, 19, 20. Give yourselves a big clap, clap. Nice job. Let's start our cool down. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Great job. Wow, that was some awesome work. You just finished a 2-minute movement snack to restore your energy. Now get ready to jump back into learning. Remember to use the exercise snack we just finished to keep moving all day long.